In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a FAQ page on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clear, professional space where customers can quickly find answers, which helps reduce support questions and builds trust with shoppers. Start by opening your web browser and going to shopify.com. From the homepage, look for the login option and click it. Sign in using your preferred method, email, a connected provider, or whatever you typically use for your store. Complete any authentication prompts so you land on your Shopify Admin dashboard, which is the control center for everything in your store. Once you're in the admin, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click Online Store. This section contains your themes, blog posts, navigation, and pages. Next, select Pages. You'll see a list of any pages you already have, like Contact or About, and a button to create a new one. Click Add Page to start your FAQ. Begin by entering a clear, simple title. FAQ, FAQs, or frequently asked questions works great because it's easy for customers to recognize and helps search engines understand the purpose of the page. Keep it short and consistent with the rest of your site. Now, move to the content editor. This is where you'll add your questions and answers. To keep things easy to scan, type a question and format it as a heading, then follow it with a short, straightforward answer in normal paragraph text. Continue this pattern for each question. Group related questions together like shipping, returns, or sizing, so shoppers can quickly find what they need. Write in plain language, avoid jargon, and aim for concise answers that address the most common concerns. If you mention policies like returns, shipping times, or warranties, make sure the wording matches your actual policies and is up to date. You can also include links to existing policy pages for more detail. Many themes display this content cleanly out of the box, and if your theme supports collapsible sections or an accordion style, your headings will translate nicely into that layout without you needing to over-format anything here. When you're happy with the content and formatting, click Save. Saving publishes the page within your store's Pages area, so it's ready to reference or add to your site's navigation later. That's all you need to create the page itself. You've just built a focused, helpful FAQ page in Shopify. Keep it current by updating questions as your products, policies, or customer feedback evolve. Thanks for watching and happy building.